Street addresses are an essential part of communication in the trucking and logistics business. There's no way to get around without numbers and addresses. One thing that we're about to go over are common street names and abbreviations. In the US, a road can be called dozens of different things. But here, we will review some of the most common street names that you'll see. Let's learn how to understand and pronounce them. Okay, first one, avenue. May be abbreviated as AVE. It may or may not be followed by a period. For example, 27th Avenue can be abbreviated as 27th Ave. Next one, street. May be abbreviated as ST. For example, to get to the location, you should go to the 183rd Street. Boulevard is abbreviated as BLVD. For example, someone may tell you to go to the 2nd Boulevard or Biscayne Boulevard. BLVD is the abbreviation for Boulevard. Drive is abbreviated as DR. You may be told to go to 72nd Drive in New York. Road. If someone says road or you see road in an address, it will be written as RD. For example, Michigan Road. Parkway. It sounds like two words, but it's one, and it's abbreviated as PKWY. For example, Lexington Parkway in Minnesota. Lane will be abbreviated as LN. For example, West Palm Lane in California. Place is abbreviated as PL. For example, West 22nd Place in Los Angeles, California. If you're reading an address and you see the letters PL, this stands for plate. What other abbreviations can we learn? In some examples, you saw that roads or places have cardinal directions: north, south, west, or east. These directions are usually abbreviated with one letter: north, N, south with S, west with W, east with E. These directions and their abbreviations may also be used in combinations. For example, northeast, NE, northwest, NW, southeast, SE, southwest, SW. For example, the address to our offices. So this is 3030 North Rocky Point Drive, Tampa, Florida. Finally, you may also see these other abbreviations when you're being given information about an address. If you're going to an apartment, you may see abbreviations APT. If you see the letters APT, that represents apartment. If you see the letters SDE, that represents a suite. Often, buildings have suites, which are nothing more than offices. Or perhaps if you're driving in a warehouse complex, you might be told to go to a specific suite. In Ukraine, we have exactly the same concept. An apartment building full of offices, the office number is basically the suite number. You also might be told to go to a unit. If you see the letters UNT, that represents a unit. For example, please take this product to Unit 7. Unit is similar to a suite or a room or an office. It represents one compartment within a larger building. Street addresses are a combination of numbers, letters, and words. We're going to view some practical examples so you can brush up on your pronunciation of addresses. Pronounce the following addresses and listen to my pronunciation to check yourself. First one. Go ahead. 23 Forest Road, Weston, Connecticut. Second one. 201 Charles Street, Taylor, Nebraska. Third one. 1120 Soldiers Field Road, Allston, Massachusetts. Fourth one. 399 East Congress Street, Detroit, Michigan. And the last one. 54 Wall Street, New York, New York. This is the end of the geography section. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next class.